In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your camera in Microsoft Teams before a meeting. This can be a really handy way to ensure smooth video calls and avoid that awkward moment when your video doesn't start properly. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams. You can easily do this by navigating to the Microsoft Teams app on your computer or going to the official Teams website. Once you've got Teams up and running, you'll want to locate and click on the calendar icon. This is typically found in the left sidebar of the Teams interface and provides an overview of all your scheduled meetings. Now that you've clicked on the calendar, you should see a list or a graphical view of your upcoming meetings. From here, simply find the specific meeting where you want to test your camera and click on it. This will bring up a menu with different options for that meeting. The next step is to click on the Join button. This doesn't immediately throw you into the meeting. Instead, it opens a new window that allows you to configure your settings before formally joining. In this new window, you'll notice several icons. Look for the camera icon and click on it. If the icon is already toggled on, you'll see your camera feed typically displaying what your webcam sees. Ensure the camera is enabled by checking that the icon isn't crossed or disabled, thus verifying that your camera is functioning correctly. One additional tip here is to check your lighting and framing. Make sure that the area where you're sitting is well lit and free of anything you don't want visible. It can also be incredibly helpful to tuck away any distractions and ensure you're sitting front and center within the camera frame for the best visual presentation. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can confidently click Join Now. By doing this, you'll be officially entering your meeting, but importantly, you'll also know that your camera is working properly and that you look just the way you want to be seen. This pre-check process not only helps ensure a smooth entry into your meeting, but also gives you peace of mind that all technical aspects are in place, allowing you to focus entirely on the meeting's content. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can test your camera ahead of your meeting, ensuring a more professional and stress-free interaction. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you have seamless video experiences in Microsoft Teams.